Music with Miss VW.
Hi, welcome to Music with Miss VW. Today we are learning about the genre pop. So, pop stands for popular. And at the end of this lesson, you are going to understand how pop has changed and how songs become popular music. So, first, we're going to go through a little timeline of popular music styles. Pop music has changed a lot over the years due to changes in musical preference. So we're going to start in the 1950s. Some popular songs then were Splish Splash, Rock Around the Clock, and Lollipop. We're going to listen to a song now that kind of sounds similar to popular songs in the 50s. While we're listening, write down what you hear, what you notice, what it feels like. All right, moving to the 60s. Some popular songs include Brown Eyed Girl, You Can't Hurry Love, and Time of the Season. We're going to listen to Ticket to Nowhere, a song that embodies the feel of 60s music. Moving on to the 70s. Popular songs in the 70s include Dancing Queen, Don't Go Breaking My Heart, and Go Your Own Way. Now we're going to listen to funky disco. Don't forget to write down what you notice. Moving on to the 80s. Popular songs in the 80s, Take On Me, Sweet Child of Mine, and Walk Like an Egyptian. Here we go. Get your pencils ready. On to the 90s. I Want It That Way, the Macarena, and Vogue were popular songs in the 90s. Let's take a listen. And the 2000s. Popular songs include Umbrella, Bye Bye-Bye, and Hey Ya. And on to the 2010s. The popular songs from this decade include Uptown Funk, Thrift Shop, and Happy. So, what makes a song popular? Well, some important things if you're trying to make a popular song, you need to go with the trends. As you could hear, there was a lot of variation in what was popular depending on the decade. So, if you want your song to be popular, pay attention to what people are listening to. Also, keep the length between 2 to 3 minutes. It's okay if it goes up to 3.5. Make sure that your rhythm is notable, something that gets stuck in your head, and consistent. So do the same rhythm over and over again throughout the song so that it's predictable. Your structure should include a verse and a chorus. And in the chorus, make sure you include catchy words and repetition. Again, you want it to get stuck in people's heads so that they'll have to listen to it again. Your job after watching this video is to click on the link in the description to get to this slideshow, and then you're going to listen to and describe at least one song from each decade. While you're describing it, I want you to think about, was it the same or different from the sample we listened to? What was the same or different? So you're going to go starting in the 50s. You're going to pick one of these songs, click on it, and then click on the YouTube video to watch and listen to that song. And make sure that you're including what's the same or different from the sample we listened to. You can also replay that while you're writing your notes. I'll see you next time on Music with Ms. VW. Bye.